The Genome Project studies the genetics of humans as well as other non-human organisms. A genome is all the DNA in an organism, including its genes. The human genome has 3 billion pairs of bases. There are 4 chemicals that make up the DNA structure. These 4 similar chemicals that make up DNA and the sequences in which they are paired is the determining factor in every aspect of an organism. These aspects differ from what gender you are to the color of your hair. Why do genomes interest scientists? The ultimate goal is to use this information to develop new ways to treat, cure, or even prevent thousands of diseases that afflict mankind. After 13 long years, the Human Genome Project was finally completed in 2003. The Human Genome Project was performed to discover the 20,000 to 25,000 DNA sequences in the human body. The Czech monk Gregor Mendel was the first person to describe how traits are inherited from generation to generation. For centuries, people have been selecting genes for animals and humans through selective breeding. Selective breeding is the intentional selections of organisms with desirable traits. With the Human Genome Project, scientists can figure out the diseases transferred through DNA and change them completely to the point where the disease no longer exists. Laboratory databases have to keep track of thousands of DNA samples as they flow through complex multi-step procedures. These procedures are changing frequently as lab techniques evolve, making it hard for the databases to stay accurate. Genome technologies have way more positive effects than they do negative. Having these specific technologies can have many benefits to agriculture, finding our weaknesses and problems, and even solving crime. Understanding plant and animal genomes will allow us to create stronger, more disease-resistant plants and animals, thus reducing the cost of agriculture and providing consumers with more nutritious, pesticide-free foods. These DNA machines can allow scientists to look at our genomes, helping us live longer and helping us prevent from transferring disease to our offspring. We'd say that's a plus.